as an actor. I told her this as well when we were performing one of our important, emotionally driven scenes. And I said, Kriti, you are fab, man. I've seen you and it's amazing and it makes me so proud. Can I say three? I like.
Three, chalo.
Okay. I like Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na.
Oh, lovely.
I like Dil Se.
Sunil.
And I like Swades. I think sometimes the connect is just there. You can't really define it why it's there. If I have to think of something, I think she is very passionate about what she does, and she won't just do it for the sake of it. God has not given me wings to fly, so I think I'm very happy being on the ground.
I have actually posted a question sticker and I've asked your fans to send in a few questions and a few comments also. Some of your friends who have worked with you also have sent.
Oh.
So I'm going to do a few of them and then we'll see what you have to say.
Okay.
So somebody has asked, Hanid, okay, has asked, or Hanid has asked, are you interested in K-pop?
That Korean pop?
Yeah.
Interested as in like do
are
I
you
listen to
interested?
it?
Yeah, do you listen to it? BTS and
Not frequently. Yeah.
But you do, sometimes.
Maybe somebody else is playing it.
You're like me. High five.
Yeah. But I know about them, of course, but no, I don't know much about it.
I want to ask you this also because I've never seen you irritated. Richa2323 has asked, what do you do when you get irritated and what makes you irritated?
What makes me irritated is when people don't do their work properly, like as in like somebody has been assigned a job and they get lazy and they don't do it. That irritates me a little bit. And what do? No, I just put a smile on my face and I tell them, okay, listen, you were supposed to do this, right?
You've never lost your cool. When do you lose your cool? What is that one moment that instantly makes you lose your cool?
Instantly makes me lose my cool. I don't know, yeah. Instantly though.
I've never seen you also. Maybe disrespect, I feel. You wouldn't be okay with that. Amit Dhanwani, who you have worked with or you're working with, says, just badhai do to Raj. What a rock star he is, an actor who gives his 1000%.
Areva, so sweet. Thank you, Amit.
Okay, your favorite cartoon, Amisha Kaur has asked.
My favorite cartoon, Tom and Jerry.
Lovely.
Yeah.
You can't replicate that.
Yeah.
Shah_Harsh_11 has asked, this is very funny. वो इतना मस्त cute beard कैसे trim करते हैं?
You'll have to ask my stylist Vijay. He'll tell you the secret.
Okay.
कुछ नहीं है. Trimmer लेके उसका number set करके कितना है 1 करना है, half करना है और बस just do it.
Okay, somebody said, Kulkarni Ishwari 1810 has said, send him love, but when will you do a romantic role and a fairy tale love story?
When a good script comes my way.
But this is also a romantic film only.
It's like a rom-com. I think she meant like a
Shah Rukh
pure
Khan.
Romance.
But not many people know that you are a die-hard Shah Rukh Khan fan.
I think by now everybody knows. Yeah.
And I want to know that which is your favorite Shah Rukh Khan film. If you had to star in one of the remakes, okay, of a Shah Rukh Khan movie,
can I say three? I like
three.
Okay. I like Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na.
Oh, lovely.
I like Dil Se.
Sunil.
And I like Swades.
Oh, lovely. I like your choices. But I think you will be fantastic in DDLJ also.
DDLJ also I love, of course.
I want you to dance like Mehendi Laga Ke Rakhna. Anjali Chaturvedi has asked, who's that one actor who inspires you the most? By the way, love your work. Everybody's written love your work.
Thank you, Anjali. From India, I would say Irfan sir and Manoj sir as well. And from all around, Daniel Day-Lewis, Philip Seymour Hoffman. Like I know this much is true on Mark Ruffalo's work has really also like at times performances really inspire me, like Kate Winslet in Mayor of Easttown, or Oscar Isaac and Jessica Chastain in Scenes from a Marriage. So performances also inspire me a lot sometimes.
Yeah, I feel it's characters also that stay with you.
Yeah.
So this is what I didn't ask because I knew people have asked you here. Arnav08 has asked, how was it working with Kriti again? And which is your favorite performance of yourself and Kriti individually?
It was great working with Kriti, of course, to answer the first part of your question, Arnav. We're good friends, so it's always fun to work with friends. And also, I've seen her growth as an actor coming from her first film to now. She has really, really grown as an actor. I told her this as well when we were performing one of our important, emotionally driven scenes. And I said, Kriti, you are fab, man. I've seen you and it's amazing and it makes me so proud. Because that's what even I try. You know,
Yeah.
you should, as actors, as journalists, everybody who's doing whatever, they should try and grow every
Yeah,
day
in
with
life.
whatever they're doing. And favorite film, favorite work of Kriti's? Well, Mimi was her last film,
Yeah.
so I think Mimi.
Mimi was outstanding.
Yeah, now waiting for Hum Do.
Yeah, I think this is also going to be in that level. I told Kriti when I met her that, and I've spoken to a lot of people who said that if Mimi and this movie released in theaters, it would do 150 crore each minimum. So
क्या बात है।
you can see, and जिन्होंने ट्रेलर देखा उनमें से भी सबने बोला, मतलब media
क्या बात
people. Also, you know, Bareilly Ki Barfi is such a fantastic film.
Yeah,
like Ashwini
yeah.
Iyer Tiwari, I
Killed
love
it.
her. And Kriti has always referred to you as one of her most favorite co-stars, although she's done one film and one song with you before this.
Yeah.
You know, what is it that you guys connect on? Is it the fact that you guys come from very similar kind of backgrounds and you made it on your own, the fact that you're self-made?
I think sometimes the connect is just there. You can't really define it why it's there. If I have to think of something, I think she is very passionate about what she does, and she won't just do it for the sake of it. I think that's what I really like about her. That she would question things.
Yeah.
And she really needs to get convinced if she has to deliver a scene. So I think that is something which I really admire about her.
You know, you've always taken criticism nicely. If when it's not trolling, somebody said that after the Epics 3, Ruhi disappointed. Why? Did you watch the film and felt that there could
I
be
think
something else?
Yeah, I think Stree was, of course, the first one in this
Yeah.
genre, and that will always remain special.
And it's outstanding.
It is outstanding.
But is 3-2 happening? Because Dinu has said that he's going to roll it out sometime next year, if I'm not wrong. In
Well,
anything.
I'm also waiting. Let's ask Dinu.
Yeah, because I think that's one of the best films in the last 10 years.
Yeah, it
मुझे
is.
अब तक समझ में नहीं आता है कि एंडिंग में क्या होगा because 3 लोग होते हैं हमारे ग्रुप में and there are 3 different and I tell Raj also that Raj tell me now at least because it's like a constant thing that 2018 right the film release it's been 3 years and we don't have an answer and we are only fighting. I'm not kidding, we fight literally कि यही हुआ होगा ये स्त्री है ये स्त्री
किसी को
नहीं
नहीं
है.
पता है.
Yeah, and finally Seema Sharma has asked why are you so cool?
Why am I so cool?
Yeah.
I don't know. Thank you, but Seema, if you think I'm cool, yeah.
And they've asked you what keeps you so grounded.
I don't. God has not given me wings to fly, so I think I'm very happy being on the ground.
Rubbish. I think you are that bird who likes to fly when needed and comes back to the ground, which is what everybody
I
does.
love walking on the ground.
Yeah. But thank you so much, Raj. It's always
Thank you,
lovely to talk to you because you're an incredible performer, but what matters is that you are an even better person, which is the cherry on the cake. And
Thank
I
you, Noel.
always yearn to meet you because we genuinely, I have a lot of love and respect for you. That's it.
No, likewise, I feel that connect with you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
Noel.
much. All the best for this one. This is
Thank
going to
you.
be amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble. Please like, share, and subscribe.